Hey K-Birds, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a client install. This wig was sent to me from VSHOW Hair. I am showing you their information on where you can check out their social media if you want to. On the back of this card is the hair care tips, as well as you can receive money off your next order by posting a picture or videos on their social media. So I'm going to be installing this wig, which is their 22-inch Peruvian water wave wig. It does have 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. The lace is going to be a medium brown, but it does have that grayish tint to it, so that's the only thing I did not like about the wig, because you're not going to get that melted lace look with the tint. Whenever you're watching the video, it does look like the lace is going to melt into the skin, but I did have to apply makeup on top just to get it to look as nice as possible. So I'm just putting like my little dots around the hairline. This helps me to know where to lay the lace at after I do use my glue. The glue I did use was the boho active glue, if you do want to know. And then, like I said, when I pull the hair back onto the skin and lay it with the glue, I do know where the wig goes, because I like to cut my lace after I apply my glue. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry the glue to kind of get it to go ahead and blend into the scalp. And then I'm gonna start by cutting the ear tabs, and then I'm gonna cut the lace off. I'm doing it this way, it's just easier for me to go ahead and map out how to cut the hairline. And this wig, if I did not say it, is pre-plucked, so all I did was bleach the knots. I didn't have to pre-pluck this wig at all, and I think it does come with baby hairs, if I'm not mistaken. So if you don't know how to cut in baby hairs, it does come with it. I had washed the hair and brushed the hair back, so that's why you don't see any baby hairs, but it does come with baby hairs. And so, like I said, after I do cut it, you will kind of see like that gray cast of that lace. Like I said, is if you want that melted lace look, you're not going to get that unless you apply makeup on top or you do apply baby hairs. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm using my comb to go ahead and cut some baby hairs into the front. After I do that, I did just apply some water and some mousse to the hair to go ahead and get it to curl up. I did let this glue dry about probably 30 minutes, and then that was it. The hair is super beautiful. I love how the hair turned out. So if you like this video, then please give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.